Hi, welcome back to another home tour. Today we have come up with a brand new low-cost double-story home. The main material of this house is flooring in marble, walls in laterite stone, roofing in concrete. All the details about this home is provided in video description. Now let's enter into this beautiful home. Be checking with the sit-out. It is a spacious one with wooden chairs placed. The sit-out leads to the living area. The living area is provided just right side of foyer, where a cushioned sofa with coffee table is available. The zebra blind curtain used is simple and elegant. The living leads to dining area where a table with 6 seating capacity is available. Moving to the bedrooms, here we see a double cot and wardrobe with awesome design. Second bedroom is designed very beautifully. A double cot and wardrobe is available. Moving to kitchen side, we see a modular kitchen with rack storage. The kitchen extended top the work area. Moving to first floor, we see a steel handrail staircase. Let us see a spacious hall. Now checking the room, we see room similar to all we checked previously. Moving to the fourth bedrooms, this one is a good bedroom with enough space. This is the balcony from the hallway. We hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment in the box your feedback and opinion about our videos.